The topic is extraocular muscles and its movements. The objectives of the topic is extraocular muscles classification, origin, insertion, nerve supply, and actions, and ocular movements case. Classification of extraocular muscles. Extraocular muscles are six in number: medial rectus, lateral rectus, superior rectus, inferior rectus, superior oblique, inferior oblique. For a convenience, we can classify them as four recti muscles and two oblique muscles. The recti muscles are further divided into two horizontal rectus and two vertical rectus. Horizontal rectus are medial rectus and lateral rectus. Vertical rectus are superior rectus and inferior rectus. And oblique muscles are superior oblique and inferior oblique. The horizontal rectus only has primary action. That is, the medial rectus. The medial rectus will adduct the eye, and the lateral rectus will abduct the eye. Then to vertical rectus, superior rectus and inferior rectus has primary action, secondary action, and tertiary action. Let us see the anatomy of the extraocular muscles. And this is the common tendon, which is known as the annulus of Zinn, from which the recti muscles originates. The recti muscles are divided into four here. This one is superior rectus, this one is inferior rectus, this one is medial rectus and lateral rectus respectively. And insertion into the sclera in front of the eyeball behind the limbus in a spiral manner. Now I'll explain this to the video. Let us assume this ball as our eyeball, and this black line is dividing the eyeball into two equators, and here is the annulus of Zinn. It divides into four. The top, from the top it comes and inserts into the sclera in front of the equator of eyeball. Here is the equator of eyeball, and here is the insertion of superior rectus, and here is the equator, and here is the insertion of the inferior rectus, and here is the equator, and here is the uh, insertion of medial rectus, and here is the insertion of lateral rectus. And the insertions of all the four muscles forms an imaginary line obtained by connecting all the insertions of the four rectus muscles. That spiral line is also known as spiral of Taylor. Distance of the rectus muscles from the limbus, also known as the length of the rectus muscles. The order is superior rectus greater than lateral rectus greater than inferior rectus greater than medial rectus. Okay. Let us remember the mnemonic slim down. That is, superior rectus is 7.7 millimeters, lateral rectus is 6.9 millimeters, inferior rectus is 6.5 millimeters, and medial rectus is 5.5 millimeters. Let us go to the oblique muscle. Superior oblique. Its origin is from the apex, arises from the bone above and medially to the orbital foramina, and it anteromedially turns round a pulley, trochlea. So its functional origin is also known as trochlea. Insertion into the posterior quadrant of the equator, and its significance is muscle with longest tendon or the longest extraocular muscle. Here is the superior oblique muscle. It comes and anteromedially turns through a pulley. That pulley is known as trochlea and attaches behind posterior to the quadrant. Attaches in the posterior quadrant. Here is the equator, and it attaches superiorly. And inferior oblique origin is from the maxilla in the floor of orbit, lateral to nasolacrimal notch course. It passes backwards and laterally below the inferior rectus. Insertion: lower and outer part of sclera behind the equator. Significance is only muscle without a tendon. Okay, let us assume this. This is the inferior oblique muscles that is originates from the maxilla in the floor of orbit, lateral to the nasolacrimal notch. It originates and it passes backwards and it passes backwards and laterally behind the inferior rectus. Insertion is lower and outer part of sclera behind the equator. Um, lower and outer part of sclera behind the equator. Here is the equator and it attaches behind the equator. Nerve supply of the extraocular muscles. Let us remember the mnemonics LR6 and SO4. SO4, superior oblique is supplied by fourth cranial nerve, that is trochlear nerve, and lateral rectus is supplied by sixth cranial nerve, known as abducens nerve, and the rest of the extraocular muscles are supplied by third cranial nerve, that is the oculomotor nerve.